Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are going to start our new lecture for the subject biology of grade 6, chapter number 1, introducing living things. Topic is cells. We will come towards the definition of cell. The structural and functional unit of living organisms is called cell. What does it mean? That the whole of our structure and the functions which are going on in our bodies are all because of cells. We are having millions of cells, and all those cells are performing their activities to make us function well. Explanation of this: as you know, that a building and house are made up of bricks. Similarly, there are millions of microscopic cells which make up a living body. As you know that the houses at your home and the buildings you see in your surrounding, such as your school building or any such building, they are made up of small bricks. So as our body is also made up of small millions of cells, and it makes up a whole body of a living organism. Here is the diagram of cell and its parts. Now the parts of cell. A keen study of cell structure shows the following parts. First one, cell membrane. The way we have skin, so our cells also have a protective skin called as cell membrane. It is semi-permeable in function. Coming towards its explanation, it means that as we have skin and our skin is protecting us from many germs entering our body and getting harm to our internal organs, so as the cell also have a protective layer which is called as cell membrane, and it is semi-permeable. It means that it allows or give permission to some of the materials which are good for the cell, while it stops the materials which are bad for the cell. In other words, it can harm the cell. Next is cytoplasm. It is aqueous material present next to the cell membrane. It is having all the biochemicals of life, and all the chemical reactions are carried out in this part. Part number 3 is nucleus. It is the most important and visible part of the cell. It is also called command center. Coming towards its explanation, it is most important part because many of the life activities are done in this part, such as growth, reproduction, digestion, and many other processes. All are carried out in the nucleus. In other words, it is called as command center. Now, nucleus. It is the most important and visible part of cell. It is also called command center. Vacuole. It is a sac-like structure which is filled of liquid and food particles. Dear students, coming towards its explanation, it is the most important and visible part of cell because it is present in the center of the cell. It always occupies the central space of the cell, and it controls all the life activities such as the growth, reproduction, digestion and other life activities. That's why it is called as command center, because it always permit the functions that are going on in the body of a living organism. Next, vacuole. It is a sac-like structure and having liquid and food particles. It is storing the food particles for a living body, but the vacuole has differentiation for animal cell and also the plant cell. Animal cell contain more than